I am Matt Price. I'm the body sides engineer for Body Shop on the V12P LEAF program. What I love about my job is getting to work with so many groups of people in different areas of the plant. There's no one here that can do it alone. We all depend on each other day in and day out to get the project complete, keep everything on schedule, get the quality that the customer desires. And I think the customer will see that this vehicle is something special and that it's something that Smyrna's proud of, and I hope that the customer will also be proud of it.
My name is Janine Johnson, and I work QR paint on the afternoon shift. The technicians are really excited about the new product coming out. The whole plant comes together. No matter what we're doing new, everyone works together. It's a great feeling working for a company that everyone likes to pull together as a team and sends out a great product, because that's what you need to have a great product. You need a great team. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great to see the outcome of everybody's hard work.
My name is Tasha Suggs. I work in trim and chassis. I'm a key trainer for the 18 model year LEAF. I love the design of it. It's sort of a sleek look, very stylish look to me. Quality is a big part of it. Making sure everything goes where it's supposed to go, making sure everything looks the way it's supposed to look, make sure there's no defects, make sure the parts are flawless. It's a big part in training. Building an electric vehicle here in Smyrna is very important to keep Smyrna moving forward. I think I'm gonna be smiling from ear to ear knowing that I played a part in that. I'm excited. I'm excited to see this. I'm excited to see it on the road and to tell my family, hey, I helped build that car.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vice President, Manufacturing, Smyrna Vehicle Assembly Plant, Nissan North America, Jeff Younginer.
Good morning, and welcome everybody. How about that? Was that awesome? Yeah. So thank you all for joining us today for another historic milestone for Nissan in Tennessee. It's a big day in Smyrna as we celebrate the start of the production for the most dynamic and revolutionary vehicle ever built here, the 2018 Nissan LEAF. The video we just saw is the perfect setup for today's official launch of the all-new LEAF. The world-class team here at Smyrna is second to none, and we are 8,400 employees strong across 3 production shifts. From body, stamping, to paint, trim and chassis through PQA, each shop plays a unique role in delivering top-level quality. We have representatives from each of those plants here today. Thank you to all of you. The LEAF launch team is made up of a cross-section of technicians, trainers, and engineers who have all dedicated countless hours to lay the foundation for the all-new LEAF. For the launch team, today's event wouldn't be possible without you, and I want to give you a special shout out again. And they're out there in blue shirts. You can't see the blue shirts, but you'll see them when the lights come back on, so look for them. We are honored to be joined by so many education, civic, and government leaders, including Governor Bill Haslam, Commissioner Bobby Rolfe, Senator Bill Ketron, Representatives Dawn White, Mike Spears, Brian Terry, and Tim Rudd. Also, Smyrna Mayor Mary Esther Reed, Ernest Burgess, which is the Rutherford County Mayor. And we're also very proud to have a number of Nissan guests with us, including Jose Munoz. He's our Chief Performance Officer for Nissan Motor Company and Chairman of Nissan North America. Kunio Nakaguro, he's Corporate Vice President at Nissan Motor Company. Takeshi Yamaguchi, Senior Vice President of Research and Development at the Nissan Technical Center in North America. And Scott Becker, Senior Vice President of Administration in North America. At this time, I'd like to turn things over to another one of our distinguished guests, Nissan North America Senior Vice President of Manufacturing, Purchasing, and Supply Chain, Mr. Heath Holtz.
Thank you, Jeff. Governor Haslam, distinguished guests, colleagues, friends, welcome to the launch of the all-new 2018 Nissan LEAF, proudly made here in the great state of Tennessee. When this facility opened its doors in 1983, it was a groundbreaking moment, bringing modern auto manufacturing to Tennessee for the first time. Since then, the Smyrna plant has been a force of economic development, creating thousands of well-paying jobs and inspiring other auto companies and suppliers to follow Nissan's lead and set up operations in the state. In 34 years in Smyrna, we have invested more than $6.4 billion, and today we employ a diverse manufacturing workforce of more than 8,000 people. Both our Smyrna, Tennessee and our Canton, Mississippi plants play a pivotal role in Nissan's overall global footprint. In 2016, the talented employees at these plants combined for more than 1 million vehicles. Just last year, more than 640,000 units were built on these lines you see behind you. Nissan's 30-plus year track record of success in Smyrna is built upon two of the plant's strongest attributes: high quality and flexibility. From the beginning, Nissan has built some of the most important vehicles for the U.S. right here in this plant. From the first pickups to Sentra, Xterra to Altima, Infiniti QX60 to Rogue, we've trusted the Smyrna team to stay ahead of the shifts in the market and set the company up for growth and success. Nissan has long had the vision to develop a range of innovative, high-quality electric vehicles that are safe, attractive, affordable, and fun to drive. In 2013, this vision became a reality, and the Nissan Smyrna plant was selected as the North American home for the LEAF. We knew we had the right blend of talent and leadership in Tennessee to take on that challenge. Not only do the manufacturing team here in Smyrna step up to assemble the all-new LEAF, the talented team at our powertrain assembly plant in Deckard, Tennessee, came alongside to build the innovative e-motor. And now, 4 years later, I can tell you that our team takes tremendous pride in building this vehicle. That couldn't be more apparent today as we celebrate the launch of the all-new LEAF. I'd like to recognize and congratulate the entire Smyrna team. Your determination, spirit, and enthusiasm made it possible to build this revolutionary car. At this time, I'd like to welcome to the stage Jose Munoz, Nissan Motor Company Chief Performance Officer and Chairman, Nissan North America.
Thank you, Heath, and thank you all for being here as we celebrate an exciting new chapter for Nissan. I'm thrilled to be joined by so many colleagues, partners, and enthusiastic LEAF owners. Today's achievement has been driven by Smyrna's dedicated, talented workers, and I'm grateful to each of you. It's because of your hard work and commitment Nissan Smyrna is the largest volume plant in North America. I'd like to take a moment and recognize Heath for overseeing our world-class production teams, as well as Governor Bill Haslam, who has been a long-time champion for Nissan and the automotive industry, helping us to grow and strengthen our local operations and provide jobs for more than 12,000 team members in Middle Tennessee. Thanks to a true group effort, today, the first all-new LEAF will roll off our production line. Since we opened the doors to this plant more than 30 years ago, the Smyrna team has taken on more and more responsibilities. As you've set new standards for efficiency and competitiveness, you've been trusted to build some of Nissan's most important vehicles. With products like LEAF and Rogue, you've also transformed Smyrna from a domestic manufacturer to a global one. During this time, Nissan has invested more than $6 billion into this facility, and the new LEAF represents an additional ongoing investment of more than $110 million. The resources we're putting behind the new LEAF and the fact that we chose the Smyrna team to build it reflect the bold vision and high expectations Nissan has for this vehicle. The next generation LEAF is the latest symbol of Nissan's global leadership in the EV segment. When you add our partner, Renault, the alliance is now among the top 3 auto groups in the world, and our total EV sales reach nearly 500,000 units. Although we're proud of our position, we recognize that the EV segment is becoming a highly competitive space, but Nissan has some clear advantages. First of all, Nissan was responsible for launching the EV segment when the first generation LEAF came in 2010. And no other manufacturer can bring our level of EV experience to the engineering and design process. Just as important, no other brand can match Nissan's large, loyal, and passionate EV owner base. Tens of thousands of these customers provided feedback that informed the development of the new LEAF. They help us create a car that's not only the ideal EV for today, it's also a platform for the future of personal, sustainable mobility. Let me explain what I mean. The new LEAF brings together the 3 pillars of Nissan Intelligent Mobility. First, intelligent driving. This LEAF is our most advanced production vehicle in terms of autonomous drive technology. It features our advanced single-lane autonomous technology, ProPILOT Assist. It also introduces the new e-pedal, which allows drivers to feel the rush of accelerating and braking while driving with just one pedal. Next, intelligent power. We've improved LEAF's powertrain in some significant and measurable ways. It has an increased cruising range. It's quicker and is quieter at both low and high speeds. Handling is better and steering is improved. And charging is easier and faster. The last pillar of Nissan Intelligent Mobility is intelligent integration, which includes connectivity through Nissan Connect services and with apps like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And in the near future, intelligent integration will expand to include communicating with other cars and road infrastructure. Now, I realize your main question about the future is, when can I get the new LEAF? It will start appearing in our US showrooms in early 2018. We can't wait for this moment. We are confident the new LEAF will accelerate Nissan's growth in this critical market. Last year, Nissan set a new US sales record of more than 1.5 million units. We are on track to beat this in 2017, with sales in the month of November up 18%, which is a November record. The LEAF will help us build on this momentum next year. Today marks an important milestone in our journey as we kick off production of the new 2018 Nissan LEAF here in Smyrna. I want to encourage our Smyrna team to stay focused and keep up your great work. And I want to thank you all for your support as Nissan works to lead the way toward a new era of mobility. Team, let's get started. And now, it's my pleasure to turn things over to my good friend and a great leader. Please join me in welcoming Governor Bill Haslam.
Thanks, Jose. Well, thanks a lot for making me follow that. Why don't you let me go before the car? You know, in the over 30 years since Nissan decided to locate a plant here, it is no exaggeration to say you have literally changed the face of Tennessee. We have become known as an automotive manufacturing state, primarily because of the decision that Nissan made to build here. And Jose talked about this being the largest automobile plant in North America. Actually, the line that I use on my friends from Michigan, because it bugs them so much, is the largest automobile plant in the history of North America. So thank you to all of you who work here. You make us look good. We have a brand in Tennessee. You have a brand at Nissan. We have a brand in Tennessee. And our brand is better because you have added your brand to our state. Because of you, there's not only Nissan and the 8,000 folks that work here and the, I think, total of like 12,000 around the state, but there's also all the suppliers you've brought. But I had somebody come to me the other day and say, well, aren't you worried? And I said, worried about what? I said, well, you become so automotive reliant. Aren't you worried that as it switches from the combustion engine to an electric vehicle, as it goes to autonomous vehicles, well, aren't you worried that that will change and all of a sudden this huge advantage you have in automotive states will go away? And I said, well, while there's a lot of attention given to, I probably shouldn't do this, but new companies like Tesla and others, I always say, well, do you know who's making the most electric vehicles now? Do you know who sold 114,000 of the LEAFs since it was introduced back in the 2010-2011 model year? And I always say, bet on those folks who are already doing it. Because whether it be creating the next generation electric vehicle or the autonomous vehicle to come, I'm going to put my money on the folks that have been producing great vehicles and keeping up with the technology all along. On behalf of the state of Tennessee, thank you. Nissan, like I said, has changed the face of the state. And to those of you who work here, thank you. You have made us look better, you've added to our economy, and you've given us a bright future. On behalf of the state of Tennessee, congratulations on this wonderful new vehicle. We look forward to seeing lots of them driving on our roads around the state. We look forward to lots more days celebrating great announcements at the Smyrna plant for Nissan. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Governor. Thank you very much for your strong support over the years, your remarks, and taking the time out of your busy schedule to be here today on our special day. So thank you. Once again, I'd like to thank all of our distinguished guests for being here. And I'd like to thank again the entire Smyrna team, and especially the LEAF launch team members who are here with us. Again, they're the ones in the blue shirts. Hug somebody in the blue shirt when you leave today, okay? Let's give them another round of applause. Just keep it high and keep it clean. Okay, I'll ask Jose, Heath, and Governor Haslam to join on the stage for one final group photo. Afterwards, I hope everyone will come up and take a closer look at the new, all-new Nissan LEAF. Thank you, and have a great day. Here's LEAF coming in now that you can take a look at. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great one.